Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to tint Honda Accord windows. Begin by verifying local tint limits and selecting the correct film darkness, then lay out tools and clean the glass thoroughly. Work one window at a time, cut film oversized. Wet the glass, apply film and squeegee from center outward to remove water and bubbles. Trim accurately and heat shrink edges for a smooth, factory look. Gather all tools before starting to minimize interruptions and dust exposure. Choose film rated for UV protection and clarity, and prepare a spray bottle with soap and water solution for slip. Keep a clean microfiber, a fresh razor blade, and a medium heat gun on hand. Measure window dimensions precisely and label each film piece to match the correct window to speed the process and reduce mistakes. Work methodically. Wash glass, apply solution, and position the pre-cut film while the glass is wet to allow adjustment. Use the squeegee with firm, even pressure to eliminate trapped water and air pockets. Trim with a sharp blade and use the heat gun to conform film to curves and seal edges. Inspect for remaining bubbles and pop small ones with a pin, then press flat to finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.